Mchukulie viti hapo. Ama hapo iko sawa.
Wapi hiyo?
Na kutoka huko ndio.
Software wapi? Ulisema ni software?
Engineer.
Oh, wewe tu.
Ukinipea nikusaidie.
Umesema mental acumen iko wapi?
Mental.
Iko juu.
Mental. You cannot measure.
John Matara.
Yes, my
John
lord.
Matara Ogumoa.
Yes, Your Honor.
My lord, good morning.
Good morning.
In that matter, my name is Ayora.
Ayora.
I appear for the accused person.
Thank you, Mr. Ayora.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, in that book of Kinudia
Mr. Kinodia.
for the victim family.
Thank you, Mr. Kinodia.
Thank you.
Who appears for the Republic?
Yes, my lord.
That's the correct position, my lord.
This is the first appearance before the High Court.
Yes, my lord. Before the High Court, this is the first appearance.
Yes.
My lord, we have since served defense counsel and filed the same with the court, his mental assessment. The suspect was assessed on the 15th of January 2024 and found fit to plead.
Indeed, my lord, that is the correct position. Documents have been served upon our officers. However, we were unable to open.
Just a minute, Mr. Ayora, for the learned prosecutor to finish addressing me, and then I'll give you an opportunity. Yes. So you say that you have served the mental assessment dated the 15th of January 2024.
Yes, my lord, we have also served them with the witness statements, the committal bundle. The reason being, I received Mr. Ayora's email quite late yesterday after we had after I had left the office. Sorry, my lord.
So what is it that you have not served on Mr. Ayola?
Our affidavit intending to oppose the suspect's bond. Yes, my lord, that is all. Or we are ready to take plea.
Mr. Ayora.
My lord, I was trying to confirm that indeed documents were forwarded to our office via email.
Yes. Yes.
However, we were not able to open that email due to the format of which they forwarded the said documents to our office.
All right. Just a minute, Mr. Ayora. As you continue speaking, Ms. Kigera, to confirm to me at the end of his address whether the new email will have been received. Mr. Ayora, proceed. So you are telling me, Mr. Ayora, that you're not able to open the annexures in view of the format.
I was not able to open the annexures, and in view of the development that they have filed a replying affidavit in advance of our application.
Yes.
For us to be able to controvert the same application, we are kindly asking for 7 days so that we respond to say the replying affidavit and most likely file an application for bail pending the hearing of the said matter on behalf of the accused person. I'm kind of requesting that we can have another mention date as we confirm the others as directed by the court.
All right, now, Mr. Ayora, you are a few steps ahead of procedure.
I am.
Yes, because
Indeed,
plea has not been taken.
Well guided.
Plea has not been taken, so matters of bail will be dealt with later this morning. Mr. Kenodia, is that so?
On my end, I'm meant to be served.
All right.
My lord.
The High Court has received information that on the night of 3rd of January 2024 at South B in Makadala Sub-County within Nairobi County, you murdered Scarlet'S Wahu Mwangi. What do you have to say about that charge? You told me you understand English?
Yes, my lord. Not guilty, my lord.
Entered against the accused person. We will now come to you, Mr. Ayora. Do you have any application to make at this stage?
My lord, I have an application,
Yes.
and I'm requesting for time so that we can do it formally. Owing the fact that there is a reply in affidavit of which we have not seen,
Yes.
I'm asking for 7 days to file and serve. We can have a mention date to confirm the same has been filed for purposes of bail pending the hearing.
So you play for 7 days to lodge a formal motion for bail. Ms. Kigera, let me know the position of the Republic on bail.
My lord, I have clarified that I have not served Mr. Matara with our affidavit opposing bond. But I'm not objecting to his application to be granted leave to reply.
In fact,
I have
now
asked.
it will work in the opposite manner, Ms. Kigera, because it will be Mr. Ayora who will be making
That is the
a
correct
formal
position, my
application
lord.
for bail, and the Republic will be opposing through that affidavit.
I'm much obliged, my lord.
The only direction that I can give is that the affidavit, and I'm going to pen my final directions in a short while, that affidavit then by the Republic or through the investigating officer opposing bail should be served at the earliest upon Mr. Ayora and also Mr. Kenothia, so that they can have adequate time and facilities to reply. Mr. Kenothia, on your part, will you be opposing bail?
Your Honor, I'll be opposing bail. Your Honor, I'll be requesting that before even the bail has been, that application is entertained,
Yes.
a victim impact assessment report be filed before court, Your Honor. Or a pre-bail report be filed. That's all.
You know, Mr. Kenothia, the two documents you've affirmed and dealt with by the court at different stages of the trial. At the moment, the
Hold on.
only document the court can call for is a pre-bail report.
I stand guided.
Thank you, Mr. Kinudhia. Just give me a few minutes. Mr. Ayura and Mr. Kinudhia, I now make the following 7 orders and directions. 1. Following the recording of a plea of not guilty earlier this morning, the accused shall now be held at the Nairobi remand pending his bail application. Secondly, the accused shall file a formal application for bail within the next 7 days and serve the same upon the Republic and counsel for the victim's family. Thirdly, the Republic shall serve that affidavit alluded to opposing bail immediately, but I grant the Republic further leave to reply to the formal motion for bail by the accused within a further 7 days of service with that motion. Fourthly, counsel for the victim's family shall file and serve a reply, if any, within 7 days of service of the bail application. 5. In order to enable the High Court deal with that application fairly and in a just manner, I call for a pre-bail report which shall be supplied to the High Court in advance of the hearing date of the bail application. Copies shall be served on the parties at the earliest. 6th, the Republic, in addition, shall ensure that it serves copies of the committal battle, all the witness statement, or any other evidence the prosecution intends to rely on, in this case, in advance, to both counsel for the defense and also for the victim's family. And then 7, and lastly, the hearing of the bail application by the accused is now listed for the 26th of February 2024, virtually at 9 a.m. in the forenoon, all as may be advised by the Honorable Judge that morning. Thank you very much.
My Lord, before you pen off, kindly,
Yes.
maybe Mr. Ayora and Mr. Yeah, may confirm that I have sent the documents in their preferred manner.
Mr. Ayora, are you able to
My Lord, we
confirm
confirm.
that? All right.
My Lord, we can confirm that documents have been sent.
All right. And for you, Mr.
Yes, I confirm that I've been served with the committed bundles.
Thank you very much. Then we shall see you all on the 26th of February 2024.
My Lord, before you pen down, there is an miscellaneous application I wish to make.
In which matter?
In the same matter,
Yes.
there is an issue which has come up during the investigation.
Can we deal with it on the 26th? To be fair to
well guided. There were directions issued to the DCIO which have not been complied. We can check at that particular time.
Yes, and I say that, Mr. Ayora, because this is the first appearance before the High Court, so I have no record of any other proceedings before the lower courts.
Well guided.
Thank you very much. There being no other matter.
Ni wakili fulani.
Bring your ideas. We need your help. Just as you join.
Ruling. The first one is Miss Mary. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
2024 in open court at 10:30 a.m. or thereabouts.
Criminal case number E012 of 2024, the Republic versus James Kinyo Maina.
We go to the last matter.
John Matara.
Yes, my lord.
Matara, Oligwa.
Yes, your honor.
Unaelewa lugha gani John Matara?
Kizungu.
My lord, good morning.
Good morning.
In that matter, my name is Ayora.
Ayora.
I appear for the accused person.
Thank you, Mr. Ayora.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, in that book of Kinudia
Mr. Kinodia.
for the victim family.
Thank you, Miss Kigera. This is the first appearance.
Yes, my
That's
lord.
the correct position, my lord.
This is the first appearance before the High Court.
Yes, my lord. Before the High Court, this is the first appearance. My lord, we have since served defense counsel and filed the same with the court, his mental assessment. The suspect was assessed on the 15th of January 2024 and found fit to plead.
Statements have been served upon our officers. However, we were able to open.
Served the mental assessment dated the 15th of January 2024.
Yes, my lord, we have also served them with the witness statements, the committal bundle. Position. The reason being, I received Mr. after we had our affidavit intending to lose the suspect's court. So, we are ready to take plea.
Yes.
However, we were not able to open that email due to the format of which they forwarded the said documents to office. We'll be kindly requesting that they do forward those documents to our office in a format of a PDF to our office. That is one.
Right.
Two,
Alright.
we
And that you send those documents to Mr. Ayora in the format that he has requested, so that Mr. Ayora